How many times have you found some really good Figma templates that you would like to just transfer into Bubble and you just spend hours like looking at the design and trying to figure out how to redo it in Bubble so you can save some time and get some inspiration out of it? If that sounds like something that you struggle with, it's something that I struggle with too sometimes. I would like to introduce you to a brand new Google Chrome extension. It's called Deezign. So Deezign allows you to convert instantly Figma designs to Bubble in just a matter of seconds. This tool only costs $25 per month as of right now, and they will be increasing price here in the near future. But it's the best tool that I have found to convert Figma designs into Bubble. So all you have to do is to highlight what you want to be transferring, right click, and you're going to go to plugins, hover over design, click on convert. The conversion is complete. And you close it, go to Bubble. I'm using Arc for this. So here's my design plugin. So click copy, close this, and paste. And here we go. We have the exact same design. And granted, I selected a really easy one to convert for this video, but as you can tell, it's the exact same one. And it only took a few seconds. Blows my mind. You have to check it out. Link in the description.